Hi everyone, welcome back to FixBond. Today, we have a double challenge on our workbench: two severely bulged, completely dead drone batteries. Their cell health has dropped straight to zero, making flight absolutely impossible. The customer was ready to throw them out and buy expensive new ones, but instead, they brought them to FixBond for a total premium upgrade. As a professional with years of drone battery engineering experience, my first step is a rigorous safety inspection. The outer casings are heavily warped, and the internal cells are severely degraded from long-term power loss storage, causing massive cell imbalance. But here is the good news: after testing with our precise diagnostic instruments, the original protective boards are fully intact and functional. They are the perfect candidates for a full capacity expansion. In this video, I will walk you through our advanced, constant temperature shell opening technique, guaranteeing zero damage to the delicate internal ribbon cables and circuitry. We will completely swap out the old swollen cells for brand new, high-rate, large-capacity power cells, strictly balancing the voltage across the entire pack. You'll see a masterclass in spot welding with flawless, solid joints, followed by deep computer calibration to reset the battery health parameters and clear all persistent fault codes. If you want to see how we turn two pieces of junk into a power source that actually outperforms the factory original, let's dive in.